Today we are going to make a sailing boat. So what you'll need is a printout of the sailing ship template, a plastic straw, some Scotch tape, a pair of scissors, and some coloring utensils. I'm going to use wax crayons. They are best if you want your boat to float in the water afterwards. So for our first step, we are going to color our ship. I'm going to make the famous pirate ship, the Black Pearl. You can see I am using a firm pressure so the paper is coated well in wax from the crayon, so it will float for longer in the water. And you don't have to worry about getting in the lines because we will be cutting this out. Alright, now that you're done coloring, it's time to cut out our template and just follow the guidelines here. Alright, now when you're done cutting out, we're going to fold along these dotted lines. Alright, after folding each piece, we can attach them together with some Scotch tape. Now I'm just taping on the inside. The tape won't stick to the wax crayon. You'll notice your boat taking shape as you go along, attaching these pieces together. Okay, to attach the flag to our straw, we must punch 2 holes where it's indicated there. You can use a hole punch, or you can use a pencil. I'm going to use this pencil here. You just poke a hole right there, like so. And you have to make sure the hole is big enough for the straw to fit through. Now you can slide the straw through the holes. Now to attach your flag to your ship, you simply take your scissors and split the end of the straw. I'm just gonna cut in here on one side of the straw and then the other. And then you can bend the split ends so that they lay flat. Sometimes this part can be a little bit challenging. Alright, to fasten your flag to your ship, you would just lay the split ends down inside and use Scotch tape to attach them. Alright, and that finishes your craft.